Hi guys, welcome back to the Bro Geek Girl channel. So today, since it is my first video of the month of March, I'm going to be looking into some of my portfolio interests, namely Tron, and then also just kind of looking and seeing what is going on with some of the stuff in crypto right now. Okay, so I was going to look into Tron. I'd heard that they were going to be implementing some changes, like burning coins, getting their own blockchain, making some changes that will hopefully increase the price. That would be dope. But I can't find the information right now, so I don't want to talk about something that I can't really explain. So I'm going to hold off on that idea for a little bit, maybe see if they actually do go through with it, or try and find out where I heard that again, just to verify my sources. So instead, I think what I'm going to do is download a blockchain-enabled ad blocker. Seems like something I should probably do. I've heard of one, I think it's called, I want to say Brave. I know it's got a lion as the symbol. And you can selectively pay what would have been your ad revenue towards certain users that you approve of, while not actually having to deal with the ads yourself. So I am going to be looking up that right now, and I'll catch up with you in a second. Oh, although one thing that I do want to address before switching gears is that while I was looking up stuff about Tron, I have seen a couple of tweets, both from the official Tron account and Justin Sun's account, just basically telling people to be wary and double check the account names and spellings and verification status while looking up stuff, because there have been a few copycats of Tron on Twitter. I think there was even a case where somebody hacked a verified account, changed the handle and their picture and everything to copycat Tron, but obviously there's a slight spelling error or something in the handle, and Jack from Twitter is aware of it and is working on fixing it, but you just really want to make sure that you are double checking things before you either take information from that source, or worse, invest in it. You definitely don't want to find yourself downloading any viruses or sending your coins to something that's going to just disappear, or anything sketchy like that. So I haven't seen any of the information about what direction Tron actually wants to go, because so far I've only seen their warnings about the copycats and spoofers. I've installed it. I have set the settings and imported data that I want. I just tested by watching a bunch of YouTube videos or skimming through them at least, and it does seem to be blocking ads. Actually, if I pull up a new tab here, I have blocked 45 trackers and 37 ads, saving myself about 5 seconds of time. And that's just in the last like 10 minutes. So I think this could potentially be very awesome for me. And we'll see if it generates any kind of money or influence that I can then pass on to the people that I want to support. But for now, we're just gonna see how this goes. And I did take a quick peek at my Tron dogs, and it looks like breeding is getting closer. There was more information about it on the site. And yeah, can't really think of anything else to cover right now. So if you have anything you want to talk about or that I should talk about, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. I am constantly looking for more information to talk about, things to make videos about. But for now, I'm going to leave it at that. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.